Hello, my name is Matthew Rajewski. I'm part of Millman's 3 p.m. Tuesday-Thursday class, and this is my final capstone project. This is my design number 2 of the key fob design. Now, I have two inputs as described. The S, which shows the distance, so 0 is near, 1 is far for S. B is the button. When B is 1, that means the button was pressed, and that should flip whether the car is locked or unlocked. 0 means for B that the button has not been pressed. We also have clock and reset just to show that it's an asynchronous flip-flops that I'm using, and I'm also using negative edge D flip-flops for this project. We have 6 different outputs here, 3 of them to show which state, those being Q2, Q1, Q0 plus, all of which show me which state that I just came from. And then just to make sure we're on the right track, then we have horn, where 0 means off, 1 means the horn is on. Same thing with lights, 0 means off, 1 means the lights are on. And then locked, 0 means unlocked, and 1 means that the car is locked. So if we try this out, as you can see, we'll reset, hit clock, when we start in state 0. And because we are near the car, there's no button pressed. We have horn is off, lights are off, and the car is unlocked. Now, if we go far from the car, we were just in state 0. As you saw that 1 clock, we've been far from the car. Now we do it again, and now it should be state 2, correct? The horn goes off now that we've been away for 2 clocks, and then the car is locked. So now if we stay far away, it'll show that we were just in state 4, and the car is still locked no matter how many times I press this button. So if we come back near the back near the car, we hit it for 1 clock. It shows that we were just in state 1, whereas the car is locked. And you can see the car is still locked because we've only been there for 1 clock. But what happens if we go again, right? Now the lights come on and the car unlocks, showing that we were just in state 3. And if I keep clicking this, the car will stay unlocked. And it showed that we were in state 5, but now we're back to state 0. So now what happens is we want to test the button. So for the button, my assumptions were that you have to be near to use the button, and that, in fact, when you use the button during the process of it unlocking, so when you've already been there for 1 clock, when you've switched your position for 1 clock, the button will actually not work, and instead you have to finish that cycle. The car kind of has to figure out whether you've been far or near, or if you're just going back and forth in between. So to show that the button does work, we're going to go near, and then we're going to use the button, and then it should lock. Perfect. And the horn goes off, and we could actually flip between the two. I'd imagine this would be very annoying in person. And then we have the lights are on, the car is unlocked. If I hit clock again while we're near, it should just return to state, well, now that was state 5 that it was in, but now it's state 0. So now what happens if I go far for 1 clock? Let me reset it. So if I go far for 1 clock, and now if I go back near and use the button, if I go back near, then the car should stay unlocked as it is right now, because I went far and then I came back near. But because I have the button theoretically should flip the car from unlocked to locked. So this is to demonstrate whether the car needs to finish the process of it going far than near, or if the button takes precedence, which in my assumptions, I said it doesn't. So I hit clock, the car stays unlocked, meaning that it read that we came back near, and now the button should work. As so. All right, thank you very much, and have a good night.